प्रिय मित्रों नमस्कार। मैं डॉक्टर जयंत कुमार डी गुप्ता, श्रीमती केशरबाई लाहौटी महाविद्यालय अमरावती महाराष्ट्र, आज आपके लिए इनकम टैक्स विषय पर इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेज से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज़ इस वीडियो के माध्यम से प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। आइए हम देखते हैं एमसीक्यूज़ इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेज। Income from other source are mentioned in Income Tax Act 1961 under section 2A 22 to 27, B 36 to 49, C 56 to 59, D 128 to 189. Here correct answer is C 56 to 59. Question number 2. Features of income from other sources. A. It must be an income. B. It must not be an exempt income. C. It must not be under any other four heads of income. And D. All of the above. So here correct answer is all the above. Question number 3. Income from other sources includes A. Family pension, B. Ground rent, C. Salary or pension of MP or MLA, D. All the above. Correct answer is D. All the above. Winning from horse race and lottery is fallen under A. Capital gain, B. Income from business or profession, C. Income from other sources, and D. None of these. So here correct answer is C. Income from other sources. Question number 5. Standard deduction available on family pension. A. 1/3 of family pension, B. Rupees 15,000, C. A or B, whichever is less, and D. None of these. So here correct answer is C. A or B, whichever is less. Which is not immovable property? A. Land, B. Drawings, C. Building, and D. All the above. So here correct answer is B. Drawings. Question number 7. If horse race income is not exceed rupees, then the income so earned shall not be subject to tax. A. 10,000, B. 5,000, C. 50,000, and D. 1 lakh. So here correct answer is B. 5,000. If amount winning with respect to card game, card puzzle, horse race income is not exceed rupees, then the income so earned shall not be subject to tax. A. 10,000, B. 5,000, C. 50,000, and D. 1 lakh. So here correct answer is A. 10,000. Question number 9. Winning from lottery is gross up by A. Net profit divided by 1 minus 30 minus 3%, B. Net amount 1 minus 30 plus 3%, C. Net amount divided by 1 plus 30 minus 3%, and D. None of these. So here correct answer is B. Net profit divided by 1 minus 30 plus 3%. Question number 10. Amount not deductible from income from other sources. A. Personal expenses of assessee, B. Any amount paid by assessee as wealth tax, and C. Interest paid by assessee outside India unless tax has been paid thereon, and D, all of these. So here correct answer is D, all of these. तो मित्रों, आज आपने हमारी इस सीरीज़ को देखा। हम आपके लिए और भी सीरीज लेकर के आएंगे। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो।